Hello everyone, myself Himani Sharma from RPIIT campus. In today's class, I discuss about the antimony oxide electrode. It consists of a antimony rod dope. This dipped into a solution whose potential or pH has to be determined. Antimony oxide is formed on the exposure to air. Reactions are the Sb plus H2O. Sb is the antimony plus 2H positive ion and 3 electrons. Advantages: it can be used from pH 3 to 8 and it can be used up to pH 12 and it is not easily poisoned or damaged. It can be used even with the viscous fluid. Next is the disadvantages. This electrode cannot be used in the presence of dissolved oxygen, oxidizing agent, highly acidic or the alkaline conditions. Next is the glass electrode. The glass electrode is most widely used in electrode indicator and it is selective and responsible for change in concentration of hydrogen ion. Advantages: it gives the rapid response and it is chemically resists to the oxidizing and the reducing agent. Disadvantage: it can easily broken or damage. Minute abrasions on the surface of tip damage the electrode. Metal indicator electrode. These develop the electric potential in response to redox reaction on the metal surface. Platinum or the Au are used as the metal indicator electrode. These are mainly classified into three types of electrode used in the potentiometer. They are as follow. First is the first kind electrode, second kind electrode, and the third kind electrode. They are the composed of metal rod immersed in the metal solution, and these electrode responds to the ionic activity of electrode. Examples is the silver electrode dipped in the silver nitrate solution, copper electrode dipped in the copper sulfate solution. And second kind electrode, these are composed of the metal wire coated with the salt precipitates, and these electrode responds to the change in ionic activity through the formation of the complex. Third one is these electrodes are also known as the inert electrode and the redox electrode. They are composed of the inert metal electrode and immersed in the redox solution, that is platinum H2 electrode. There are some examples of the first kind electrode, silver electrode, and second kind electrode are the mercury, and third kind is the platinum electrode. Ion selective electrode. An ion selective electrode, also known as the specific ion electrode, and convert the activity of a specific ion dissolved in a solution into an electrical potential. An ideal SC consists of a thin membrane across which only the ion can be transported. That is the example glass membrane electrode. Today class I discuss about the reference electrode, antimony oxide are the indicator electrode and glass electrode, and also the metal indicator electrode. Thank you for watching.